Good day guys, welcome back to this channel. So to those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you do want to click on the subscribe button, like, share, leave your comments, and also follow the Telegram. I'll put the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So let's see what we'll be expecting on our EURJPY. So if you take a look at this, our trend on EURJPY is literally on an uptrend move. We all know before we take a trade, we want to know the trend of that trade, and we clearly can see that we are on an uptrend move. So we are seeing a series of higher high, higher low, higher high, and higher low. Now take a look at this. This is our high. This is our higher low. This is also our higher high. Here is the higher low. This is also the higher high. Here is the higher low. This is also the higher high. And we are getting the higher low. Once the higher low is finished, we expect another higher high. So basically our focus on EURJPY is still to the upside. Now let's go down to the forward time frame. So forward time frame is currently pushing. So let us see drop a little bit. And another push up is what we'll be expecting. So it will look something like this. High, higher low, higher high. You can see that took out this previous high. Higher low is currently playing. Okay. Another higher high. So we should be expecting a bullish move, a push up to the outside very soon. And which we'll be getting it this week. So stay updated and subscribe if you do that.